In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho CRM. Now, this is an essential skill for anyone looking to efficiently manage sales and streamline their business processes. Before we dive into the specifics, make sure you've already added your products in the Products module. This step is crucial because any quote you create will pull line items directly from there, ensuring consistency and accuracy in your sales documentation. Once you've got your products set up, let's turn our attention to the Quotes module within Zoho CRM. You'll find this module conveniently located on the CRM sidebar. Simply navigate over there to get started. When you're in the Quotes module, you'll see a Create Quote button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that to begin crafting your quote. This will open up a new quote form where you can start filling in the details. Begin by selecting the relevant contact and corresponding account. You can also link an associated deal if it's applicable, but don't worry if it's not. This is an optional step. Next, you'll want to enter a quote number. This helps in keeping your quotes uniquely identifiable and organized. Follow this by setting the date of the quote and specifying its validity period to clearly convey how long the terms are applicable to your client. As you scroll down, you'll find the Quoted Items section, which is where you can add your products. This is where the products you previously loaded into the Products module come in handy. Add the selected products along with the desired quantities needed for this specific quote. Once you enter these details, Zoho provides a flexible opportunity for you to adjust the unit pricing or apply any necessary taxes. You can also factor in discounts here. What's great is that Zoho has automatic calculations for the totals, which eliminates any worries of manual errors in your figures. Should you need to adjust the order of your line items, simply drag and drop them within this section to reflect whatever sequence you prefer. This feature helps in maintaining clarity and ensuring that priority items are front and center. When everything looks just right, the final step is to save your work. Click on Save, and just like that, you've successfully created a quote in Zoho CRM. All your associated details are now documented and can be presented to your clients professionally. And there you have it, your handy guide to crafting accurate and efficient quotes in Zoho CRM. Whether you're doing this for the first time or need a quick refresher, these steps are designed to be simple and straightforward to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Remember to check back for more insights and tips on making the most out of Zoho CRM.